Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and today is going to be a good day because we got a little pink box in the mail from Kylie Cosmetics. So I got her Under the Sea summer collection. So we're going to play with that. We're going to see how everything works. We got 4 shimmer eye glazes in the colors Aqua Mama, Ocean Child, Deep Sea Dreams, and Night Swim. So we're gonna play with maybe one of those. That comes with 3 lipsticks in Endless Summer, Beach Bum, and Paradise Please. There is one of her high glosses in the color You Are the Sun. 2 lip blushes, which I'm actually not too sure what's different about her lip blushes, so look that up and I'll let you guys know. But they come in the colors Bikini Bot and Boss Bay. And then we have one of her eyeshadow palettes, which all the packaging is really cute. It's all Under the Sea themed, obviously. So we have some that look like coral. These ones have little fishes on them. Some have seashells on them and like water bubbles. So the packaging is really cute. I'm super excited to try everything. As you can tell, my base is already done. So we are just gonna jump right into the eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. All the cute colors. Got some really fun ones in there. So we are just gonna jump right in with a Morphe 505 brush into the color, well, let's do Sure About You. The thing I like most about Kylie eyeshadows is how well they blend together. I've never had an issue with patchiness or the colors just not working together. So hopefully this one will be the same. Nice transition shade. Ooh, I like that. Then we're gonna go into Welcome Aboard, which is this darker brown up here. And we're just gonna deepen it up a little bit. And I find with my eye shape, it works a lot better when I bring the eyeshadow out. It just makes the eye look a little bit longer and a bit more open. And then I'm gonna go into my Treasure with a bit of a smaller brush. This is the Morphe. It doesn't actually have a number on it anymore. I'm gonna go into my Treasure, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna pack this color on the outer V of my eye. Yeah. And then I'm also gonna take Welcome Aboard on this kind of flat brush. And I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line with it. And then I'm gonna go back in with this little buffer brush and back into my Treasure and just go right under and smoke it out a bit. So far I don't see any patchiness. I don't, like, the colors are blending really nicely and they're not going muddy, which is good. I think they look really nice together. And I think I'm just gonna keep it really simple in the crease because I really wanna go in with the shimmer eye glaze in Aqua Mama. is on the website, this is super pretty blue. Oh. So when you open it up, it has a little cover there. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited to have this on my eye. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna try going in with a flat brush for like a wet or down flat brush and just see how that is to pick it up. And this is the perfect time for people to be mowing their lawns. Perfect time. I think it might be easier if I go in with my finger. That is so pretty. Okay, so yes, definitely go in with your finger. And we're just gonna pack that onto the lid. Oh my goodness, stop it. That's so pretty. Wow. So I'm actually going away this weekend. And I was like humming and hawing about what I'm gonna be bringing for makeup. This I'm bringing. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that Morphe 505 again. Just buff out the edges a bit. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna take the My Treasure again and just blend out that outer corner. I kind of want to take this all over the lid because it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more. Yeah, I definitely really like this. The pigment is really nice. It just sits on the eye so beautifully. Okay, so to finish off the inner corner, I think I'm actually gonna go into Can I Help You? Which is this color right here. We're just gonna go right into the inner corner. Awesome, so I'm actually gonna go off camera, finish the other eye and pop on some lashes, and then we're gonna go into lips. So I'll be right back. So I am back. I have some liner on, I put some lashes on. I end up using the Likely lashes from Likely Makeup in the style Blades. Dang. Pretty sure I talked about this in my last video. I think. But they're so good. I was gonna use Ratty B lashes, but I just thought that this look needed some more wispy lashes so you can see the shadow underneath because it is so pretty. It's sparkly. So that's what I did. Now, moving on to lips, I quickly swatched the lip blushes and they're really pretty colors. So the difference between the liquid lipsticks, the matte velvet, and now the lip blushes is the website says that lip blush is an ultra lightweight formula. It provides a sheer wash of color with creamy application. It dries down to a diffused matte powder finish with soft focus powders to make lips look smooth and even. It is non-drying and comfortable all day wear. It won't settle into lip lines. So when I swatch them, they're definitely a more sheer coverage, which is nice. It's gonna be perfect for summer. So I think I'm gonna go in with Bikini Bod, which is this one right here. And we're just gonna see how it looks. So it doesn't really have much of a color payoff, and my lips look a lot pinker on screen or on camera than they do in real life. So I think I'm actually going to use one of the lipsticks to make it a bit more nude. And I'm gonna do that with, I think it's Peach Plum. Yeah, Peach Plum is this really pretty nude. Yeah, I definitely like that a lot better for this look. And I really like her lipstick formulas. They're really easy to wear, they're super creamy. And even the matte ones don't leave your lips looking super dry, which is nice. I do find with a lot of lipsticks that are matte, you're gonna find that you get super cakey looking lips, but these ones don't do that, which is nice. And then I'm gonna top that off with You Are the Sun, which is the high gloss. All right, and that is the finished look. All in all, I think this collection was really good. There has been some collections where they weren't as good as others. She's definitely improved her eyeshadow quality, which is nice. I definitely prefer the high glosses to her old glosses. They feel really nice, they don't feel really sticky, and they just feel good. I like them. I find the consistency kind of similar to the Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty, which is one of my all-time favorites. But yeah, I really like this, and I think the all-star winner is definitely going to be the eye glazes, which is the blue. These are definitely, if you want to try something from Kylie Cosmetics, I would definitely get these. And yeah, I think that's all for me today. I can't stop looking at this eyeshadow. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I can't. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Anyhow, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, you can, click somewhere. I know it's somewhere on the screen, but you can click to see the next video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment telling me what you guys would like to see next. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.